Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will explore three important words used to describe weight in English: heavy, light, and weightless. These words help us communicate about how much something weighs and make it easier to understand the physical properties of objects around us. Understanding these words is essential for everyday conversations in English. Let us learn the definitions of three weight words. Heavy means having great weight. It describes objects that are difficult to lift or move. Light means having little weight. Objects that are light are easy to lift and carry. Weightless means having no weight at all. This word is used to describe objects in space or during free fall, where objects appear to have no weight. Now let's explore each word in more detail. The word heavy describes objects that have a large amount of weight. When something is heavy, it is difficult to lift or carry. For example, a large rock is heavy. A loaded suitcase is heavy. A refrigerator is also heavy. Heavy objects require effort to move. In English, we use the word heavy to communicate when something weighs a lot and is not easy to transport. Now let us understand the word light. Light can mean not dark or not heavy. When describing weight, light is the opposite of heavy. Light has many synonyms such as glow, gleam, luminescence, and brightness. The opposite words for light are dark, shadow, and night. Understanding these related words helps us express weight and brightness clearly in English conversations. Weightless is a unique word that describes something having no weight. This word is most commonly used when talking about space. Weightless has synonyms like floatable, buoyant, free-falling, and unburdened. The opposite words or antonyms for weightless are heavy, weighted, burdened, massive, and anchored. Weightless helps us describe objects that seem to have no weight, especially in unusual conditions. Let us look at some real examples of how to use the word weightless. The astronauts floated in a weightless environment in space. A feather drifts down in the air, appearing almost weightless. In free fall, the sensation of being weightless is common. Lightweight fabric felt light and weightless, making it perfect for summer clothes. These examples show how weightless describes objects or situations where weight is not felt or appears to not exist. Let us summarize what we have learned. We learned three important weight words. Heavy describes objects with great weight, difficult to lift. Light describes objects with little weight, easy to carry. Weightless describes having no weight, such as in space or free fall. These three words are essential for describing weight in English. Use these words confidently to clearly express differences in weight during your everyday English conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.